Hey guys, it's Adam here from F150LEDs.com. Today we have our Super Duty here in the shop. We're going to be showing you how to install our Spartan reverse series lights on this truck utilizing our trailer accessory connector, which is going to make this install an absolute breeze. Let's go ahead and jump into the install right now. First thing we're going to do is go through everything that comes with the kit, starting off with our two Spartan series reverse lights. Also, it's going to come with our mounting brackets that will mount to the lights themselves. All of our included hardware, and then the mounting brackets are going to mount to the truck. Today we're going to be utilizing our trailer accessory connector. This connector makes the install a plug and play install, and it makes it an absolute breeze. All right, the first thing we need to do is mount our mounting brackets to the Spartan reverse series light. So what we're going to do is take the mounting bracket with the Spartan logo facing up and slide the bracket down in from the top with the reverse kits. What we're going to need to do first is take a lock nut, and there's two channels in the back of this bar. You can see one's right here and one is right here, and we're going to slide one lock nut into each of these channels like so. It'll just fall right into place. Now that we've done that, we're going to take our bracket with the C part of it facing forward and line up this channel here with the hole in the side of the bar. And then we're going to slide in the short bolt. I'm going to go ahead and grab our Allen key and just go ahead and get a couple threads going on this light. I'll do the same thing for the other side. Like so. Now that we have this bracket mounted to the Spartan reverse series light, we're going to take the tall L mounting bracket, and we're with the flat part facing front ways like so. We are going to mount it to this bracket. So we're going to take this bolt here, slide it underneath the channel like so, slide down the bracket into place, take our lock washer and then the nut, start tightening this down into place like so. Then we're going to take a 1/2 inch wrench or a 13mm wrench and tighten this bracket down securely to the bar. And we're going to center it completely with this channel. That way it's completely centered, it's not off to one side. So let's go ahead and tighten this down. Now do the same thing for the other light and we'll be ready to move to the truck. So we're underneath the driver bumper and we're going to be using this existing bolt here. This bolt is a size T40. So we're going to go ahead and use our driver here to remove this bolt like so. And once we have it removed, we're going to take our Spartan reverse series light that we've already mounted our mounting bracket to, slide it through the top hole as you can see here. And then we're going to go ahead and start to tighten this bolt right back into the hole that we removed it from. And once we have this tightened down all the way, we're going to go ahead and move over to the passenger side and repeat the exact same steps for that side. Utilize the trailer accessory connector. Simply push down on the tab with the 7-pin trailer connector and pull away from the truck. And then line up the tabs with the trailer accessory connector to the 7-pin connector and firmly seat them into place by pressing down on them. Then take the other side and plug it into the truck's factory connector. Once we've done that, we're going to take the wiring from the back of the Spartan reverse light and run it over this metal piece here so that we can hide this wire better. And then we're going to take the triangle connector and click it into place. Now we're going to run the other triangle connector over the spare tire so that we're hiding as much wire as possible, and then connect it to the other Spartan reverse series light. Next, we're going to take the included zip ties and zip tie any loose wiring up underneath the bumper, that way nothing is hanging down and causing any issues. So that's all there is to installing this Spartan series reverse light kit on your Super Duty truck. You can check this kit out along with all of our other amazing LED technology for your Ford truck at f150leds.com. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook at F150LEDs to be up to date with all of the latest and greatest LED technology for your Ford truck. We truly appreciate your support and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks, guys.